Now we've got that done, we're going to work on the colors. I'm going to select the orchids, and I've got the adjustment layer panel open over here. If you haven't got it over here or in this bar, you can also find it in the window and adjustments. What you also could do is go to layer and click on new adjustment layer and choose the one you would like to use. But in this case, I'm going to use the channel mixer. Click over there, hold Alt, and try to go more or less in between both of the layers and click. And this layer now only has an effect on the top layer, so on the orchids, and not on the whole document. And over here you can see the output channel, so we've got the red, greens, and blues. In the end, you just have to see what happens. Toggle between going back and forth, and you'll see the effect. That's something that I normally do, is just go back and forth and see what's the effect of something, and adjust the color to your own liking. I've got this one, the blues. If I would go to the greens, it would look more like that. It's very, very red, so that's a bit too much. Blues and the reds. Very green. I think I would like to have something that's a bit more purplish, a bit lighter and not so red. So probably I will do something like this. Go back to green, a bit more blue. Go to blue and actually I like this one. A lot of white. Don't want it that purple though, so trying to adjust it a bit more. Like this is, yeah, more or less okay. And I go back and we're going to adjust the second layer, that's the dragon fruit. For that, I think it's better to adjust the hue and saturation because I kind of like these colors. So click on that adjustment layer and press Alt. And what we're going to do again is just toggle in between. A bit more saturation, a bit more lightness. It really depends on what you like. Like you can take it to the extremes and now it's blue, but it's not really what I'm looking for. But I would like to have something that's a bit more pinkish. Something like this. It's not too far off from its own color. I'm going to leave it at that. And the orange, again, I'm going to choose for the hue and saturation because I really like the orange. Alt and click. Maybe a bit darker. Why not? I'm going to saturate it a bit more. This is interesting. Too much pink? No. A bit more yellowish. Okay. And last but not least, the leaves. And again, I'm going for your, or maybe I'm going to try the channel mixer. I like the greens, but maybe, who knows. Press Alt and click. Let's see what happens. Yeah, not that much. Very green. Okay, maybe if I would go to the reds, more extreme. not really what I'm looking for. Yeah, it takes time. You have to toggle in between and just take a look at what you like and what you don't like. Nope, doesn't have any effect. Maybe something more like that. Could be interesting. No, don't like it. I will go to UE and saturation. And oh yeah, it's already placed. And again, play a bit with the colors. Sometimes it's nice to see the extremes. I mean, like this could work out as well. Or something like that. Purple actually can be quite cool too. No, I'm just going to leave it at green, but just a intenser version of green. A bit lighter. And that's it. Now we're ready to go to the next part.